In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new site in ERPNext. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and which options to choose so you can get a fresh ERPNext site up and running on Frappe Cloud. Let's start from your browser. First, go to the Frappe Cloud dashboard. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your existing account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section or menu item labeled Sites. This is where all of your existing ERPNext and Frappe sites are listed and managed. Click on Sites to open the Sites page. Here you'll see any sites you've already created along with their status and basic information. This page is also where you'll initiate the creation of a new site. To create a new site, find and click the New Site button, usually displayed as a plus sign or labeled Plus New Site. This will open a setup form or wizard that will guide you through the configuration of your new ERPNext instance. The first key step in this setup is selecting the apps you want to install on your site. At a minimum, you'll want to include ERPNext, and it may already be selected for you by default. Depending on your needs, you might also see other apps available, such as Core Framework or additional modules. Take a moment to review the list and select only what you actually plan to use. Choosing unnecessary apps can make your environment more complex than it needs to be, so keep it focused on your requirements. Once you've selected your apps, the next important choice is the region where your site will be hosted. Frappe Cloud typically offers multiple regions, such as different continents or countries. It's best to choose the region closest to most of your users, as this helps improve performance and reduce latency. After choosing the region, simply follow the on-screen prompts. These may ask you for a site name, a subdomain, and possibly some initial configuration details. Read each prompt carefully and fill in the required fields. When everything looks correct, confirm or submit your new site setup. Frappe Cloud will then start provisioning your ERPNext site. This may take a few moments. Once it's done, you'll see your new site listed on the Sites page, ready for you to open